All right, happy Friday, Red Friday. Remember, everyone deployed, so wearing red today. Plus, it's pretty good for this time of year. So, crazy week. This week, we had the Fed on Wednesday announce their quarter point cut to their Fed funds rate, and then came out after that with some kind of surprising commentary and predictions for later this year or for 2025. We went into Wednesday thinking that we were going to have, up to a point or probably 4 quarter point cuts in 2025. And that's what the market expected. And then the Fed kind of said, no, we're thinking more in line with 2 quarter point cuts in 2025. And both the stock market and the bond market did not like that news. So we'd love to see where the Fed cuts the rate and mortgage rates get better, but instead they came out and surprised the market, and we ended up with higher rates this week, even after the Fed cut again. So this is 3 Fed cuts, and all 3 times, or this year, and all 3 times it's not been exactly as we expected. So was that again? We did get a little bit of it back today here on Friday. So there's always the market reaction and then some correction a lot of times. We got a little bit of it back. I'll share here in the video where the snapshot of rates are today, just so you guys have that reference. Also, this time of year, get all of the predictions, right? Rate predictions for 2025. Well, I'll share the graphic here with you. Our friends over at Housing Wire basically compiled 11 different experts, right, quote unquote experts, and where their rate predictions and where the spectrums think that they're going to be in 2025. This lines up pretty well with what we talked about and shared with you probably a month ago now, but it's a wide spectrum. So you can see here from anywhere from 5.75, maybe we'll see some things in the 5s according to these guys, all the way up into the 7s, and somewhere in that spectrum through the year. So higher for longer, right? We would have loved to have seen 5% rates by now, or have some real expectation for them going into next year. But we're probably going to be in this same kind of range, and we need to be prepared for it. So that's what we have. Wish I had better news, but it's still going to be, all the signs point to, more sales, more units sold, some appreciation in value. All of those things is what the data points to for 2025. We have a lot to be excited about going into 2025, and we'll be here along with you to help us through that and navigate that. Always happy to talk. If you have questions on rates, have questions on the market, why things work, we like talking about these details. I won't share a ton here or in the email, but if you want to talk more detail, we're happy to do it. Wish you all from everybody here at Evergreen, wish everybody getting this a Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year. Like I said, 2025 is going to be awesome. Hope your families are healthy and you have a great holiday season. We'll talk again soon.